Life is a journey, but what makes life more beautiful is the presence of nature and its beauty. And for me, I believe that nature is a direct reflection of God's glory here on earth. God has made this world so beautiful. He has given us nature as a gift, so that whenever we feel incomplete, whenever we feel insecure, whenever we feel that this world is too much to handle, we have a place that we can go, rest, and find peace. And that place is none other than nature. As I progress in the journey of life, I feel that it is important to tell you my experience whenever I am in the presence of nature. To some people, nature can simply be a place which is just beautiful. But for me, it is so much more. Nature has the power to inspire. Nature has the power to bring out my inner passion. And nature has taught me many things in life. And one of them, it has inspired me to write and feel confident with who I am as a person. Whenever I am in the midst of nature, I would turn around and embrace its beauty. I would lie down and look at the clouds in the sky and the clear blue sky, and then I would realize that nature is so beautiful, nature is so pure, nature is so peaceful. Nature is like a balm. It can teach and instruct at the same time. As I lie there in the presence of nature, I start to notice the sounds of the birds singing in the branches of the trees. As I close my eyes, I could feel the cool breeze passing by, and it just gives me the chills. And as I stay longer in the presence of nature, I could start hearing the sounds of the flowing rivers, and to me they seem just like lullabies, the most beautiful lullabies that you can have ever heard in this world. The book of Revelations, chapter 4, verse 11 says, "You are worthy, O Lord, to receive glory and honor and power, for you create all things, and by your will they exist and were created." Yes, I believe that everything we see, everything that we feel, and everything that we touch, it's all because God created all of them just for us human beings. Nature is nothing but a gift from God to us, because He knows that through nature we can get spiritual, emotional, and physical peace. God is really wonderful. God's love is unconditional, and whatever God has created, it is only to make us feel happy, to feel satisfied, and to get a sense of peace and tranquility in this world. As I walk with nature, I also realize one more thing, that we might not love nature, but nature loves us. Nature does not judge. Nature does not discriminate. Even the richest people and the poorest of the people living in this world can get the same sense of peace and satisfaction in the presence of nature. Nature helps us not because of our accomplishments. No, it's never because of our accomplishments. But nature is there to inspire us because nature reflects our Father in heaven. John chapter 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whosoever believes in him will not perish, but have eternal life. This is the promise of God's love. John chapter 3 verse 16 is the ultimate example of God's unconditional love for all of us. And nature is the best gift that God has given us because it symbolizes God's unfailing love to all mankind.